It has been a week since Hurricane Ida hit New Orleans. This has been a trying week, but the team is up for it. They've been working hard, restoring power throughout the city. And it's been a great task, but we're up for it. We prepare for this throughout the year. Crews did come in by the thousands. We reached out to our mutual assistance partners to ensure that we had enough people. Over 20 different states responded to our call. It's a big task. Storms are won and lost over logistics, and we move them to the hardest hit places, and we continue to collapse on other parts of the system to ensure that we don't leave any mile unturned and we get everyone restored quickly. We saw a plethora of things throughout our system, from broken poles to down power lines, as well as broken cross arms. But through our damage assessment, we identified those quickly. We have made some significant progress over the last few days. I'm very proud of the team. To the crews and contractors, I love you guys. I know it's been hard out here. It's been hot. There's a lot of different hazards we have to deal with. And thank you for all our contract partners that came down to assist us as well. And all of our folks that came in to help us with logistics. You're amazing, and we can do this without you.